Welcome to Middletown Animal Hospital. This is the view from the street. We're located on the frontage road of Highway 29 in Central Park. Calpine Visitor Center is across the street. There's plenty of parking. We have handicap parking. We have separate cat and dog entrances. The cat entrance is on the right, and the dog entrance is on the left. This is the view of the north side of the property. And this is looking down Central Park. It's 5 acres. Goes all the way down to where the fence stops. This is the backyard, the west side of the property. That's the office on the left, the indoor kennel, the outdoor kennel, and this is the backyard where we walk the dogs, and the horses are boarded. Pastures in the back. Here's the south side of the clinic. This area contains the outdoor grooming area. This is the indoor kennel, the outdoor kennels, and the backyard. Pastures, round pen. Here's our 2-stall large animal hospital. That's usually where the vet truck is parked, and the horse stocks. And this is the back of our hay barn. Here's a different view from the front yard. That's the feed store where all of our dog food is kept. Our 2 birds, resident birds, Chipper and Polly. The hay barn where we sell our hay and feed it to the livestock here. More pastures. Tool shed, pump house, and rental residence. Okay, here's the dog reception. We have the front desk, the dog scale, a refreshment counter. We have the TVs that play informative information. Dog exam room 1, 2, and 3. There's our small retail area with treats, collars, leashes, bones, all sorts of fun stuff. And that is the door that goes into the dog food room. Built-in benches. Here's the main reception desk. Dog side. And here's the cat side. Our cat reception area has all of the cat foods we offer, prescription and regular diets. Cat condo when we have kittens up for adoption. And there's our cat exam room. And in that window is our cat boarding room. You can see the boarders. At the far end, you can't tell, is our comfort room. And another flat screen TV and cat treats. Our reception desk again, and through that doorway is the treatment area. Here's our reception area. Copiers, printers, and 2 desks. This is the pharmacy. All the client files. That's the door to the reception area. Pharmacy. And this is the treatment area. Lab, wet table, dry table, dental suite, hospital cages, doctor's desks. Ultrasound. And here is the first of the dog exam rooms. Built-in benches. Here's the second dog exam room. Radiology, digital x-ray, and the third dog exam room. This is where we do our laser therapy, and also we have a flat screen TV where we do our viewing of digital radiographs. Across the hall is the break room for the staff. The fridge and sink and microwave. And we have cubbies for everyone to store their stuff. And then the bulletin board with all the postings on it. And then the employee bathroom is right around the corner. This is our cat exam room. We have feel away diffusers in the cat rooms to make them feel calm. And this is surgery prep and the surgery room. Here's our cat boarding room. They all have Karanda cots, and then they get to come out and play during the day. And then this is our comfort room. This is where clients can come, where we can perform euthanasia, and it's comfortable and quiet, and they can take as long as they want. This is our surgery cleanup room. Washing and drying devoted specifically to uniforms and surgical gowns. It's our floor scrubbing machine. Does a great job on the polished concrete. That's the back door to the backyard and outdoor kennels. And this is isolation and storage, locked storage. Here's the office of the office manager. We have small meetings in here. Our staff meetings are in the break room. And that is our security system, where we have cameras in the hospital and it can be viewed on the monitor. And our server is back here. This is the office, the back door to the hospital. We have an outdoor tub table. It's useful for really stinky procedures and things like that. That's the door to the indoor kennel. And this is the whole indoor kennel right there. This small graveled area between the indoor kennel and the outdoor kennel is fully fenced in case a dog might become loose. Off the treatment area is the indoor kennel. There are 13 indoor kennels. The floors are radiantly heated, and there's also 5 large, very large cages. There's a specific washer and dryer just for the kennel, and lots of storage for overstock. Just off of our dog reception area is the walkway to the feed room, where we have all of our prescription diets, regular diets. It's mostly Royal Canin and Science Diet. We have 2 ADA approved bathrooms, one over here and one over there. This is more of the dog food. We also have cat litter, and in the back we have our rehab area, where we have a treadmill, balancing balls, cavalettis, and this is where we do rehab on after post-surgery animals, combined with laser therapy. And this is all of our overstock and returns and so forth. Here we are at the back of the clinic, and this is the outdoor grooming area, the doors that go into the indoor kennel and the break room. And now we're going into the indoor grooming room. There's a tub table and cages, cage dryers, and then the outdoor tub table. And last but not least, the vet truck.